A mechanic named Evan stood beside a silver hatchback in a quiet service bay, holding a rag in one hand and a dipstick in the other. He had a habit of explaining simple things as if they were puzzles, because he knew the smallest mistake often caused the biggest damage. Today, a new driver named Lena had come to learn how to check engine oil without guessing. Evan began by pointing to the dashboard. The engine was off and the car had been parked on level ground for a few minutes. He explained that rushing the check after driving could give a false reading because oil moves through the engine and needs time to settle back into the pan. He also reminded Lena that checking on a slope could make the oil level look higher or lower than it really was. Lena pulled the hood release and searched for the dipstick with careful eyes. Evan waited until she found the bright loop handle between two hoses. He told her that the dipstick must be removed slowly, wiped completely clean, and inserted all the way back before taking the real reading. Lena almost skipped the wiping step, but Evan caught the motion and stopped her with a quiet shake of his head. If the stick was not cleaned first, he said, the first reading would only smear old oil and create confusion. On the second pull, Lena lifted the dipstick straight out and studied the markings near the tip. The oil line sat between the minimum and maximum marks, dark but steady. Evan showed her how to read the level without twisting the stick too quickly or holding it at an odd angle. He explained that a correct reading comes from patience, not force. Too little oil can starve the engine, while too much can cause foaming and other problems. Then came the mistake many people never notice. Lena reached for the cap and almost poured in a full quart at once. Evan stopped her again. He said the safest rule is to add oil in small amounts, then check again. A little extra can be corrected, but overfilling is harder to fix. He pointed to the oil filler cap and confirmed the correct grade from the owner's manual, because mixing the wrong viscosity in the wrong engine can create trouble even when the level seems fine. As they worked, a customer in the next bay boasted that he always checked oil by color alone. Evan smiled and said color can hint at age, but it cannot replace the dipstick. Fresh oil may darken quickly, and dark oil does not always mean it is useless. What matters first is level, then condition, then service interval. Lena finished the check with a neat final reading. The engine bay looked no different from before, but she understood more than she had when she arrived. Evan closed the hood gently and gave her one last rule to remember. Check on level ground. When the engine is cool enough for an accurate reading, wipe and reinsert the dipstick. Read both sides carefully, add oil slowly, and never trust a guess more than a measurement.